All right, my biscuits are out of the oven. I need to start frying a little bit of bacon. I'm gonna make gravy today, and we're gonna have some sausage that I grew up with. That's an absolute treat. It's a breakfast sausage. I have it here. We're gonna pan fry it with a couple of eggs. It's gonna be so good. Now, I have put a little bit of bacon grease into my cast iron skillet. I want this to just be totally non-stick as I can get it. This is a well-seasoned cast iron skillet. Just gonna spread that bacon grease around a bit, let it thoroughly coat my pan. And I'm gonna come over, I've cut these strips of bacon. This is a medium bacon slice. You can have your butcher cut you some fresh bacon, or you can find it in a pack. I just want to fry this because this is going to be the base that's going to add, it's going to add an additional layer of flavor to my sausage. And back home, we called it breakfast sausage. On the weekends, my family, big believers in a big breakfast. So we would have bacon, breakfast sausage, maybe some sausage patties. It was a big deal. Biscuits, gravy, you name it. We loved it. So I'm gonna get this fried up. Ooh, you can hear that sizzle. I wanna fry this nice and crispy because I'm going to top my breakfast sausage with this. And the breakfast sausage, it does come in a can. Let me get these evenly spaced. All right, now I'm gonna let this fry till crispy. Ooh, this bacon smells so good. I can't help it. I just love bacon. I'm a fan of bacon. Give me a salad that maybe is not extraordinary. Add some bacon bits and you got a salad that's extraordinary. This breakfast sausage, you just add a little bit of bacon on top of it, takes it to the next level. And I have a plate that I have a napkin in. I will take the bacon out, pop it into this. I've just finished up frying my bacon. I've got a lot of liquid gold. That bacon grease is liquid gold. I do not want to throw it away. I'm gonna pull my little bacon grease container out. I'm gonna sit it here and I will actually save some of that bacon grease. Now, the bacon looks nice and crispy, just the way I like it. Let's take this up. Oh, that smells good, looks good. I'm just popping it on this paper towel. I want to absorb some of that moisture from the grease on that. There's a little bacon bit. I can leave that in the pan. I don't want to dispose of this bacon grease because it's liquid gold. In the South, we keep our bacon grease, every bit of it. Don't throw it away. It's just so good to cook with it. Now, let's pour a little bit of this in here. That has a built-in strainer on the top. And I will pop this in the refrigerator. If you're using it frequently, you could even leave this on stovetop, but I do keep mine in the refrigerator. My grandparents, it was stovetop because they used bacon grease almost daily because every meal was made from scratch. Bacon grease, don't throw it away. I just put 2 tablespoons of bacon grease into my pan. I'm making a little bit less gravy today. Because it's just basically me here, but this is 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, and you can see some of the little bacon bits in this. And I'm going to go ahead and add probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is going to be the base for my gravy, and I'm going to let that brown. And this will go on top of that delicious sausage that I'm going to be making. So hang with me as I bring this gravy to completion. I know you're going to love this recipe. It's something I grew up with in the South. This is going to be gravy, biscuits over a sausage, like a bulk sausage that comes in a can. Hang with me. I'll be right back. I'm going to throw a little bit of salt into my gravy. I like to salt this as I go. And then just to add a depth of flavor, I like to put a little bit of pepper in. And this is to taste. You add your salt and pepper to taste. And then I'm gonna be, as soon as this browns, I don't want this to taste like raw flour. So I'm gonna let this brown, and then we're gonna add in, I will be adding in a whole milk with 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream that's been added. Probably about 2 cups worth. The whole milk, about 1.5 cups, and then maybe 1/2 to 1/4 cup of the heavy cream, just to give it a depth of flavor. You can see that this is browning up nicely. This is gonna work perfect on the top of my biscuit and my sausage. All right, my flour and oil, salt and pepper is browning nicely. I like for this to get a dark brown. It's an additional depth of flavor. And then I'm gonna put in 2 cups of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I'm gonna continue to stir. I'm gonna let this continue. I'm gonna stir it continually and bring this to a boil. I don't wanna walk away from this because this can boil over really quickly. You wanna stay with this, keep a watch on it, and just let it thicken up. Now, if you found that you got this too thick, you could add some extra milk. Even water would work here. But I think this will thicken up and be a fantastic addition to my sausage and biscuit. Now, the star of the show today is going to be the sausage that I'm making that will come right after this gravy. So don't go anywhere. My gravy is starting to boil. I want to just continue to stir to make sure that it doesn't stick. And I'm going to turn the heat off because you see the bubbling. It's ready. And look at the thickness. This is going to be a tasty, beautiful Southern style gravy that's going to be phenomenal on a biscuit. I'm going to take this up. I do want to scrape my pan and get out anything extra. A lot of flavor could be on the bottom of your pan. I am using a ceramic coated pan. I normally would make this in a cast iron, but I'm going to be using a cast iron skillet for the sausage that's coming up. Don't go anywhere. All right, now back to the journey at hand. Remember, it's so much better to share the journey in the kitchen with friends. I had turned this off of the heat because I wanted to take up the bacon grease and I didn't want that open flame. I need to get my pan going again. We're real close to having this breakfast sausage ready to eat. Don't go anywhere. All right, my pan is back on. I want to go ahead and get my sausage. This is my breakfast sausage. This is a combination of chicken and pork. It has been pre-seasoned from the can. Now, I want to just make this a little bit tastier. We're going to up that flavor. I have here 2 scrambled eggs. Let's get this in. We're going to start stirring this immediately. And you could pre-do the meat with the egg, but I always kind of like to see that the egg is in there. A lot of people will mix this prior. A lot of folks back home would mix it prior, then put it all in the pan. But I actually like to see a little bit of the egg in there so that you know what you're getting. Now, I want this to continue to just fry, pick up those bacon flavors out of my pan. And you can let this cook to your desired level of thickness. The more moisture that cooks out of this, the thicker that it becomes. And I do like mine a little bit on the thicker side, so I'm going to let it cook just a minute. And then we're going to be able to plate this with my homemade from scratch biscuits, my homemade gravy, and this delicious breakfast sausage. Ooh, that smells good. Now I'm going to put just a little tad of pepper on this. This was salted from the factory, so be careful until you taste it. You can always add a little bit of extra salt on the table, but if we get this too salty, it would be a real challenge to try to correct that. You know, maybe if the gravy wasn't real salty it could help alleviate some of the saltiness, but I pre-salted my gravy in the pan. I like to salt as I go, season as I go. And you can see already that this is thickened up. I think it's looking good. I think it's looking real good. Leave me a comment if you've ever had this style of sausage before. It comes in a can. And this was an addition to the breakfast table when I was growing up. We always had those big breakfasts on Saturday and Sunday, not as much through the week, with the exception of my grandparents. And my grandparents had a phenomenal breakfast every single morning. Everything was made from scratch. Both my parents worked, and so during the week, it wasn't as extravagant for breakfast, Monday through Friday. But Saturday and Sunday, it was a big deal, meaning all out with a full breakfast. Now, this is crumbling just the way that I like it. I'm going to turn that off from the heat. We're going to get ready to serve this. Let me grab a plate. I'm going to get a biscuit on this. I'm going to get a big one. These are mine, but I've got plenty, so you'll have one. Let's cut this open. Lay that to the side. I'm going to come in with a big scoop of this breakfast sausage. I'm going to pop it right on the top. Oh, look at that. A little bit of extra. Get it nice and meaty. And then I just want to come in with a scoop of this gravy. Throw that right on top of my biscuit. And then a piece of my crispy bacon, or two. I cut these in half. That's just one piece. Now it's time for the taste test. I want to come in with just a little bit of pepper on the top. I love a lot of pepper. Oh my gosh, this smells good. It looks good. I'm going to go in with a little bit of gravy on that breakfast sausage. I'm just going to pop in a little piece of the biscuit. I made these from scratch earlier today. Let's give it a taste test. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely perfection. It is just so good. That takes me right back to the Smoky Mountains, being with my family, hanging out in the kitchen on a Saturday and Sunday, and just having fantastic meals. This is breakfast sausage. It's bulk sausage. It comes in a can. I'll put a link in my description. Don't hesitate to make this. It's a real treat. I'm Ransom Ryder. I need some friends. Come hang out with me. Let's share some recipes. Let's have a journey in the kitchen. And the journeys are best when you've got a lot of friends hanging out. Hang with me and let's cook some meals. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm going to finish all of this. Bye. I've got plenty for you though. Come on in. Oh my God, that's good. That is so good. Bye.